So what we have here is a portable gas stove. It opens, this flips, and there's directions here. Do not grill hot air pans that extend over canister compartment. If stored indoors, remove the canister. Oh, you don't have to press it. Nice low temperature. If it goes too low, it shuts off. Then you have a gas leak. It'll warm you up too. And you have your pot or your pan. It's perfect. Look at that. And it disconnects it. It smells. Only a little bit of that leak, but still it's pretty intense. This is nice and warm now. And then you flip it back over to put it in storage. So I got this for tailgating, for lack of a better term, because you can have trust issues with a lot of people's food. Or if you have one that's high maintenance. Okay, so we need to figure out everything that needs to be got together for this. Alright, here's the real test. I knew I had this somewhere around. It was in my go bag, for lack of a better term. Whether or not we can actually use this. I guess so. It's not the most happy, but it works. If you have this Stanley soup can, you can make it work. And if you have emergency or power outages, it's not unrealistic to have this. Especially with the price. I mean, who can $20 deal with this? I was really not wanting to buy anything because I'm broke. But then it's like $20 and I have an emergency stove. Oh, it just melted to the table. It heated it up fast. It wasn't like it. melted, but it was stuck.